Hi there, hope you're doing good. So here I'm with the demo. So the requirement was to change the sales log percentage. So it was showing the price and the total price are same. So you asked me to change it, apply the markup percentage against the quantity on the total price. So this is done, and now you can see this is showing the right results here. The second sheet was to generate an employee sheet with a drop-down control instead of each employee has a separate tab. So this is also done here. You can select the employee name and you will see the relevant data from this pulled from the sales log. Currently, we have only one entry with the profit percentage. Let me show you. So here it is, and here you can see this is the chart plotted for all the employees available, all the data in the sales log. Here I modified a little things which you might get not cleared at a glance. So what I have did here, you can see this is plotted on the left side. It's quantity, so 0 to 300 on a linear scale. Then the gross sales is with red scales. Here you can see the value of 17,234. With this, basically this is in thousands. So in K, you can see the K in the at the top of the data label in here. So 7233 thousands. And therefore you can see these the values of the profit higher than the gross profit, because I have divided the value with the thousand so that the number will be more visible and represented with a K. If I'll plot the profit with the gross in the same scale, the difference in the numbers is too high, so the profit scale will get suppressed. So what I've done, I suppress the sales quantity with the divider of 1,000 and represented with a K. So here you can have a good view, and the data sorted with the descending order with the gross sales. I can sort it with this with the profit as well. So that is it. On the right side, you can see the scale for the gross sales and the profit, and on the left side, it's quantity. On the bottom, all the employee names are available. If you will add any more employee on the sales log, those will automatically get reflected in here as well. So here you can have a good view of which two employees have the maximum sales. So that's it for my side. Please let me know if you have any further modification or anything in your mind to modify. Looking forward to hear from you. By the way, this second number is arbitrary. I have made it. I have entered the value manually, so you can always delete it. I'll delete it, so it will represent the two numbers. The data is plotted. The data plotted is shown on the right side, and here is an arbitrary value. What I'll do, I'll just stretch this one here, and this is the real data. So this is the only entry on the sales log with the profit, because all the other were uh, with the quantity, and I don't know what was the markup for this. So better if you could pull the markup here as well if you want to. If not, then I don't know what you are going to do with these values, but this is the first value with the profit. So that's it from my side. Please let me know. Thank you.